Hi, I'm Dan B. In this video, I would like to show you how to delete your Facebook account. But first of all, take note. When you say you want to delete your Facebook account, there are two different meanings. Either you deactivate the account temporarily for some time, or you delete the account permanently. And if you delete the account permanently, you have 30 days to reactivate the account. If not, after 30 days, the account will permanently be deleted. So you open your web browser and then go to the Facebook website. Make sure you log into your account. On the toolbar, tap on the last option that is provided, and then move to settings. In settings, you scroll down to your Facebook information and tap on account ownership and control. Tap on the second option, which is deactivation and deletion. You will be given two options, that is either to deactivate the account or to delete the account. But for this tutorial, we will be deleting the account. You select the delete account option. Tap continue to account deletion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and post your comments.